Hi, my name is Katie, and I'm a junior volunteer with the Valley Health System. I'm here today to demonstrate how to make a no-sew fleece blanket. Yes, that's correct. It doesn't involve any sewing, and it makes an amazing keepsake. For this project, you will need 2 coordinating pieces of fabric, a pair of sharp scissors, a yardstick or tape measure, and a 4x4 piece of paper. Start by laying out your fabric wrong sides together. The brighter, prettier side should be facing out. Now, with the fabric together, trim all the salvage edges. They are the edges with the little dots. Sometimes there are words printed on the salvage. Now that you've cut off the salvage, your 2 pieces of fabric should be the same size. Now, we're going to cut out the first corner. Take your 4x4 inch piece of paper and lay it on the corner of the blanket. Cut out the corner through both layers. Do this for the 3 remaining corners. Now you're ready to cut the fringe. Cut 1-inch strips that are 4 inches long. Use your tape measure or yardstick to make sure your cuts are even. I like to use a tape measure because it's long enough to reach from one corner to the other, and it helps make sure the fringe is even. Cut 1-inch strips on all 4 sides. The fringe is cut, so we're going to start knotting. Make sure each knot is double knotted when you're tying. This helps them from coming untied, especially in the wash. Don't worry about the corners, you tie the fringe the same way. Continue tying knots until the entire blanket is finished. And here's the finished blanket. To make a blanket for an infant, use 1 yard of fabric. For children, 1.5 yards. And for teen and adult blankets, 2 yards. I hope you found this video useful. The blankets are soft and cozy and make a great gift for the patients at Valley Hospital. Thanks for watching.